Thank you.
Hello, thank you for patiently waiting. So this one is the Okinawa, total of 18 pieces. The fish we're using is salmon, hamachi and nigiri. And then we have also the hamachi aburi and hamachi sashimi. And we do have the tuna loin, which is the akami, hamachi and nigiri, and 3 wagyu ganga. And here we have some wasabi and pickled ginger. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Please enjoy.
Yeah, well, wasabi. Yeah.
The kaki, and in the bottom we put some fried rice.
Okay.
You can squeeze the lemon to add more texture,
Okay.
and the bottom one is the taste. Thank you.
Thanks.
Ready na po. Yeah. Happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh, right.
God, that's so nice.
Oh.
So green.
Hey. Only 1 year old.
Stop it.
Hey, happy birthday. This is.
What's this? Are we gonna watch again? Sige mo. Arigatou gozaimasu.